Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olsen and today we are drawing a turkey folding surprise. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. We're gonna start folding the paper in half. Then we're gonna take the bottom part and fold in half again. Now we're gonna flip it over and fold one more time. And then we're gonna open it, you're gonna flip it, and we're gonna start drawing right here. Hello little artists, today we're doing a turkey folding surprise. I hope you like this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. We're gonna start in the outside of the paper. I'm gonna leave about 4 finger space from this side, and I'm gonna put over the folding part a little dot right there. And then the same, I leave about 4 finger space on the other side, and we're gonna put a dot. Now I wanna join those two by doing a square shape, and this square shape is gonna be big and it's gonna have round corners. So I'm gonna go up around the corner. Now we're gonna come to the right, round the corner, and go back down. Okay, so that's the top of the hat. Now we're gonna do the bottom part by doing a half circle. If you want, you can change to a pencil if it works for you to make a couple tries. I'm gonna try to do mine with a marker. So I'm gonna cross the folding part, and now I'm gonna go down here, and I'm pressing the marker against the paper, so I'm going a little bit more straight. There. Okay, now we're gonna put the belt that goes in the middle of the hat, and I wanna start by doing a square shape here on the center of the big U shape we did for the hat. Like that. And now in the middle, we're gonna do another square. So I'm gonna leave a space, and then I go down, I go in, and down again. Okay? And now we go around by doing this square shape. On the sides of this, we're gonna just do 2 lines. I'm gonna follow the same line here, and I'm going to the other side. Like that. That's it for the outside. Now let's open the paper. And we're gonna do first the top of the hat. So I'm gonna cross the folding part, and I'm gonna repeat this oval shape. Okay, like that. I went to the other side, and now we're gonna start building the turkey. So this is gonna be a big U shape, and it's gonna pass this folding part. So I wanna leave a space here, and I wanna go down. And once that I feel the folding, I wanna start turning and curving. This is the bottom part of the turkey. And now we're going again. Once you feel the folding part, we're gonna go up. Just like that. Okay. Next, we're gonna build the wings. And the wings are gonna go over the folding part. And I'm gonna do 3 small U shapes that go all together. Let's do the same in the other side. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3. Okay, and again, they are over this folding part. Next, we're gonna do the big feathers that he has on his back. So make sure to not cross the folding part up here. We're gonna start from the hat, and we're gonna come down and connect with the body. Now we're gonna continue going down. We're gonna do one more, and this one is gonna connect with the feathers or with the wings. We're gonna do one more over the wings. And at this point, I'm getting really close to the folding part. Here, I can see it here. So the last one is gonna cross the folding part. It's gonna connect with the corner of the body. There. Now we're gonna do the legs, and he's jumping out like he's like super happy. So we're gonna do the legs sticking out a little sideways. So I'm going to start with this one. It's going to be 2 diagonal lines to the left, and on the other side we leave a space, and we're going to do 2 to the right. Okay, now we're going to do 3 toes. The first 2 are going to be pointing to the left, so it's 1 U shape and 2, and I'm still having an open space here. This last one is going to be smaller and it's going to point a little down, so we're going to go like this. Okay, now let's do it again on the other side. This time they're going to be 2 pointing to the right, you leave an open space, and this one is going to go small and pointing down. Now we're going to do his face. We're going to start with the peak. He has an open peak and he's kind of like shouting. So we're going to do a C shape. So I want to start here in the center, and this is going to be a big C shape. Okay, it looks like that. Now from the center of this C shape, and my center is here, I'm going to go from here with a diagonal line down, and from here diagonal line up. Okay, now we're going to do the piece of skin that is hanging on top of his peak, and I want to start on top of the C shape. I'm going down, curving, curve, and come back. Now for his eyes, you can choose to do different eyes. I'm going to make his eyes look close and happy. So we're going to just do a upside down letter U, and we're going to pass the marker a couple times to make this line a little thicker. We're going to do the same in the other side. There. Now he looks like he's super happy and shouting. And the last thing we're going to do is we're going to finish this shape we have here. And this is going to become kind of like the shadow of the turkey jumping. So the only thing we're going to do is cross the folding part and connect the lines to the other side with a curved line. Like that. And there, that's it. We finished this turkey that is jumping super happy. Let's check how it looks when we close it. And this is how it looks when we open. I hope you like this lesson, and now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my pilgrim's hat looks like in the outside. It was really easy coloring, and I just add a little bit of shine here with a white crayon to make it look like a little shiny on the top. So now let's check how it looks in the inside. And here is this turkey that is super excited. He's so excited that he's losing some feathers. I add these ones at the end. You can add more details in the background, and you can use your imagination to finish this picture. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time.